Hey, just wanted to shoot a quick video testimonial and review on this Nanem essential oil car diffuser. It's made by Nanem, sold by Sassy Essentials, and it is on sale right now on their website. They're trying to get rid of some inventory and for a big move, and so they're having these on a crazy sale right now. But anyway, wanted to give a review and just let you know how much I love this diffuser. It's really cool because it's a natural way to get your car smelling really good, and with whatever essential oil that you want, whatever your favorite oil is, you just put it in here, put some water in there, put a few drops, 2 to 3 drops of your oil in there, and plug it in, and it starts diffusing and filling your car up with whatever essential oil you want, and so you get the aromatherapy benefits as well. And for like heavy traffic or heavy stress situations, I love to put in some lavender oil. It's really calming and relaxing, as you guys know. If you're essential oil users, lavender oil is great for relaxing and just kind of calming down the mood there. And then if I need a little boost of energy, or I'm feeling fatigued, I'll throw in some like peppermint, or I'll throw in like a mixture of like orange and peppermint, and just fills the car up with a really nice smell and keeps me alert while I'm driving as well. So really cool. You just fill it with oil. And if you want to switch your flavors without, contaminating the extra wick, because there's a filter in here. So we have these 12 packs of filters that I got, and so if I want a new scent and I don't want it to mix with the other scent, I just put in a new filter, take out the other one, put the old one aside, put in a new one, and that way I have a fresh wick or filter that has the new scent in it. So anyway, go grab one, sassyessentials.com. The link's probably right above in this video here. And just wanted to tell you guys that these are awesome. You will love them for your summer trips, your vacations. The only caveat I will say, do not leave it in your super hot car, and do not leave it in your super cold car. It's full of water, so it'll freeze if it's cold. But right now it's summertime, so you don't have to worry about that. But if it's super hot, like if you live in Arizona or something like that, and your car gets like 120 degrees, don't leave it in there. It's plastic, and so it could melt. Just letting you know. So anyway, go grab one right now. Talk to you guys later. Enjoy it. Peace out.